Hi, I'm Eileen from Teach with ND, and I want to tell you about the Budget Bites Starter Kit. So when you buy the kit, you'll get this Budget Bites GPT, which is going to help you with meal planning and grocery shopping and thinking of ways to save money and time around food. So this is what it'll look like, and you will press start. And here's an example of what it will look like. So it says it's here to help make meal planning simple, stress-free, money-saving. It's going to ask you questions. So it says, did you want to make all meals for this week or just dinners? And I said just lunches for 5 days. It asked me if I have any dietary preferences. I said no. And then it asks how much time or energy I want to devote to this. And I said super quick assembly. And then it gives you 5 ideas. It says, which 3 do you want to try for your 5 days? And it says it can help you if you don't want to pick. It can just pick randomly. So I said, you pick. So then it gave me 3 lunches for 5 days, and it gave me a plan for how to eat them, like on what day, eat what meal on what day. And then it gives me a short grocery list. And then it also offers bandwidth-friendly tips. So it might say in this case, it said to prep 2 jars at once. So it's going to give you ideas like that to help save you time and stress and money. In addition, you will receive some printable resources to help you make the most out of your GPT. And the first part is the Budget Bites Savings Tracker. So anytime you skip takeout or use your leftovers and other things I have here, you will be able to track how much money you're saving with that. You'll also get this fridge saver planner where you can list what you have in your fridge. And then it also has a Sunday setup checklist. Of course, you could do this on any day of the week that works for you, but for some people, Sunday works well, and it gives you steps to go through to get your meals ready for the upcoming week. And finally, if you purchase the starter kit by Black Friday, you will get this bonus of the Cook Once, Eat Twice planner, which will help you figure out creative ways to make the most out of the meals that you do cook so that you can end up cooking less and saving that time and stress that can come with cooking. Of course, it will also help you save money along the way. So it has you list the main dish, and then it helps you, again, using the GPT, you can come up with ideas of how to use it the next day, any ingredients you want to reuse, and other notes you want to make to yourself. I do have some ideas at the bottom in case you would like some to get started. And then one quick note, when you purchase the starter kit, you will get an email, and in that email will be this document, which will link out to the resources I just showed you. All right. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.